Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to remove the egg out of the beaker or the bottle without breaking it by using simple science. So keep watching the video. Now friends, after mounting the beaker on the glass, we need to increase the pressure inside the beaker, and so that the pressure from the inside it can push the egg out, and hence we can have the egg out of the beaker. Now friends, after mounting the beaker in the vertical position like this, the egg pointing the downward direction, you can see here, and then we need to take a hot water and pour on the top of the beaker so that you can see the egg is coming out of the beaker. Yeah, we got the egg out of the beaker. You can see here, this is the beaker and we got the egg right in the glass. This happened because when we increase the pressure inside the beaker and the outside air pressure is reduced, and the pressure inside the glass increases, and therefore the egg get pushed out and we get the egg out of the beaker. So guys, that's it for the day. Now try it for yourself, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.